Alright, welcome back to Jamaica Fan. I have a short video on some massive news that has broke since the morning. Credit again must go to Band Sports TV, who brought the news in the wee early morning about last season Golden Boot winner Javane Bryan. And this is what he had to say about the player. Last season Jamaica Premier League leading goal scorer Javane Bryan is back in Jamaica. Bryan left the island a few months ago and was set to join Vietnamese club Quang Nam Football Club on a permanent transfer. However, we have been reliably informed that the deal fell through as Bryan failed his medical with the Asian club. It is understood that he left carrying an injury and was there unable to pass the medical exam. Thus, the deal fell through. He has returned to Jamaica where he will complete his rehabilitation and is expected to represent his club, Waterhouse FC, in this season Jamaica Premier League. Alright, all I can say first of all is that Javane, boy, we feel it for my boss. It's very unfortunate, very sad news on that front because I know this was a massive opportunity that your skills and goals provided for you last season, and we were all rooting for you to make a name for yourself overseas. But you know, they always say that God have a plan, and we hope that you coming back and possibly, you know, starting the league again, that another opportunity comes along. But it's really disappointing news for us as fans in a way as well, because we always want to see our local stars prosper on the bigger stages. And if you all remember well, that he did come out of that last game for Waterhouse in that third place match against Arnett very early with a nasty injury that you could even see when he was collecting his Golden Boot award at the end of the finals that night. He was hobbling to get on stage. So we were kind of hoping that it wasn't that serious, but it seemed that it still affected him for him to cough up such a massive opportunity. But anyway, for now, that is the news. Javane Bryan is staying in Jamaica in the Premier League. We don't know for how long. Maybe, as I said to you, maybe when the injuries heals and he plays well again, another opportunity knocks. We are hoping. But for now, the deal to Quang Nam in Vietnam is off. According to Band Sports TV once more, again, all credit goes to him. And Javane Bryan is once more here to terrorize the opposing defenders in the JPL. Another quick note is that he now joins the likes of Ottawa Bygrave and Hamilton, who has recently joined Waterhouse to try, replace some of the goals they were going to miss with Javane going overseas. So now Waterhouse is going to have 3 elite centre forwards on their books, and then competition for place is going to be hectic. But now you could say they have immense firepower, so it's going to be interesting to see how Marcel Gale utilized that in the upcoming season. But anyway, that's all as I said for this quick news update. For this video, please like, subscribe and share as we look to keep you up to date on all things in the Jamaica Premier League leading up to September 15th of the new season. Otherwise, for great JPL content, you're already at the right place. Jamaica Fan. YouTube, pick up yourself.